Is your one AirPod not working? Here's the solution. For 9 out of 10 users, AirPods perform efficiently with any Bluetooth-supported Apple device, which is no less than a validation of their premium tier price range. But that may not be the case for its 10th user. As it's an electronic device, you might encounter this annoying error wherein one AirPod loses the connection completely or at regular intervals, and there's no apparent reason for this issue in your sight. If you're an AirPod user and often get hit by this bug, then watch attentively, as this video is fully dedicated to resolving your issue. Follow these steps to fix your malfunctioning AirPod. First of all, head to the settings of your iPhone or iPad. As shown in the picture here, tap the name of your AirPods under your Apple ID banner. Alternatively, you can first tap on Bluetooth and then tap the eye icon next to your AirPods in the list. Scroll down the menu and, as illustrated in the picture here, tap Forget this device at the bottom. Make sure that both AirPods are inside the charging case and that the case is well charged. Open the charging case lid. Press and hold the small button on the back of the case near the bottom for at least 15 seconds. Here's a point to note. If you're using a first generation or non-wireless second generation AirPods charging case, the internal light of the case will indicate a successful reset of the AirPods by flashing white and then amber. And if you have a charging case for AirPods Pro, AirPods 2, or AirPods 3, you'll find this light on the front of the case. Now close the lid of your AirPods case and then open it up again. Hold the case with an open lid next to your iOS device. The device will then recognize the AirPods and show a pop-up on your screen to connect them. Here's a quick tip. If this guide doesn't resolve the issue, reset your iPhone's network settings by following the steps here. First, navigate to the settings of your iOS device, then tap General, then go to Reset and go to Reset Network Settings. Now repair your AirPods by the same steps we mentioned.